Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you all are doing well and enjoying my digital lectures. I am Friha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is use addition and subtraction within 100 to solve real life situations involving math. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use addition and subtraction within 100 to solve real life situations involving math in same units. So here I am going to solve two examples for you, one for addition real life problem and the second one will be of subtraction real life situations. For this first example over here is of real life situations involving addition and subtraction of mass. The first one is mass of a bag of sugar is 500 grams and mass of a bag of a rice is 650 grams. Find the total mass of both. So you are going to add the both quantities and then you are going to get the answer. This is what the question is saying to you guys. Here the first statement will be mass of sugar bag is equals to 500 grams and the mass of rice bag is equals to 650 grams. This is what I have taken from the first sentence. Please underline mass of a bag of sugar. Instead of is, I am going to write equality symbol and then write 500 grams, and in the second and with and there is also one second quantity is given which is mass, underline it, mass of a bag of rice. Instead of is, I am going to write equality symbol and write 650 grams. Now the question is saying you to find out the total mass of both. Total mass of both is equals to 500 grams plus 650 grams. So we are going to write these two vertically like this and then we are going to solve them together. How comes, write in a vertical way like place values of whole numbers as you already did it. So right now I'm going to write 500 grams plus 650 grams, then I'm going to draw a straight line to do the addition process. So right now we are going to use our right hand side. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5 and 5 plus 6 is 11 and I'm going to write down grams over here as well. So I'm going to write grams over here. So this will be 1150 grams. And now because this is more than 1000 and in 1000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram. So that is why I am going to break them into two parts. So first one will be 1000 plus 150 grams. So 1000 gram means that this is 1 kg and 150 grams will be written separately like this. So 1 kg and 150 grams is my answer in kilograms and grams. Whenever you have a number bigger than or more than 1000, you are going to write it down in kilograms and grams. Now we are going to solve second example. Here the statement of the example is Ahmad's mass is 42 kg, whereas Asad's mass is 36 kg. What is the difference between their masses? This is very interesting example. Well, this is what we already observe in our daily life that, for example, I have different weight. So this is the difference basically we are going to find out. So right now from this example, you are going to get the statements and from this word difference, highlight the word difference. This word is really very important because this is telling you that you are going to do subtraction. Yeah, so do subtract it. How? First we are going to rephrase the statements and then we are going to do subtraction process, right? So the first statement will be Ahmad mass. This is what is given over here in the question. Underline Ahmad mass. Instead of is, you are going to write equality symbol and then you are going to write 42 kg. Okay, so right now for the second one, whereas, just ignore this whereas. Now you are going to write Asad's mass is. Instead of is, you are going to write equality symbol and then you are going to write 36 kg. Okay, so right now you are going to draw a straight line and then a subtraction symbol and do solve the question. Before solving the question, you are going to write out the final statement and the final statement you are going to get from the question statement. And here the question is, what is the difference between their masses? So underline it and you are going to make a sentence or caption from it. Okay, so the caption will be difference in their masses. Difference in their masses, you need to underline it, and you are going to write is equals to, and then you are going to start the solution of the question. So right now, use your right hand side to do subtraction. Okay, so right now, for this sake, 2 minus 6 is not possible. So knock the door, next number door, and you are going to take one number borrow. Take a borrow and the next this number, cut this number and write the number 3 because this is 4 over here. Cut it and write 3 because this has given one number. One number to my neighboring number, which is 2. So this is not 2 now. This is 10 because 10 he has given. So you are going to write 12 over here instead of 2. So 12 minus 6 is 6 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So this answer is 6 kg. So right now I have to write down my answer, and this answer will be not in any equality symbol. This will be like in simple sentence, that is whenever we are going to use sentences, we are going to write down the complete answer instead. So you are going to answer this question, what is the difference between their masses? So you are going to say, hence the difference in masses is 6 kg. So this is what you have done. Hope the procedure is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.